In MyGeotab, zones can have customized settings like visibility, group assignments, and types. Mass editing can be used to apply these settings and make changes to multiple zones at the same time. From your zones list, click the check mark to reveal mass editing options. Select Visible selects all items in the list. Select Individual allows you to select assets by clicking the checkbox. Select None clears any previously selected assets. Once your selection is made, to mass delete zones, click Remove Selected Zones. Or to make changes to zones, click Edit Selected Zones. The first option is Publish to Groups. You can either add groups to the zone's current assignments, or you can replace their current groups with different groups. You can also determine if the selected zone should be visible on the map. The next option allows you to select their zone types. After selecting Replace With, click the text box to display a list of available zone types, from which you can select one or more. When a vehicle stops inside a selected zone, Indicate Stops Within Zone controls how the vehicle is represented on the map. When set to Yes, a vehicle that stops inside the zone will be depicted with a star icon. Under Color, select Replace With to select a color and transparency level. This is useful if you want to assign colors to zone types or group assignments. Finally, the end date directs when the zone will stop recording interactions with vehicles. Any rules tied to the zone will not be triggered. When you are finished making changes, click the Save button, then Accept to confirm. You have successfully mass edited zones.